I recently made a video where I explained why I'm not a Forex trader. I tried to explain that in depth, but somebody came to my WhatsApp and then asked me some questions that I could not really answer, and I said to the person, can you please go ahead and ask the question on our forum so that we can actually help one another. So the question was like, okay, let me just read it out loud for you so that you see what the question was. Okay, so the question goes, hi Kuda, I checked out your video that you posted why you don't trade Forex trading. So before checking out the video, I already pictured what to expect from the video. As for me, I do trade. Okay, this person said I do trade and also run a business, small business of selling spices. I've realized that on my side, when I think of Forex trading, it gives me high hopes and big expectations, but my life doesn't really glow from trading. It's like energy of it. From trading, it's like the energy of it repel. But when I push my small profitable business, my life kind of glow. So let me just see if I can scroll up here for you so that you can see the other message right here. Let me just see what the message says. And then the message says here, I kind of see growth. So wanted to ask some of the points. I mean, from your experience, why do you think much of pushing affiliate marketing besides it being your passion? So basically, this was the video that I made, and then this was the question that this person decided to ask. So what I'm gonna do in this video, I'm gonna do justice, what I call justice. I'm gonna do kind of a lecture, because this was a very, very important question, because the person is saying that, hey, if I do Forex trading, I kind of get frustrated and things like that. Things don't seem to move. But if I do my small business offline of selling spices, I kind of glow. Okay, and why did I choose affiliate marketing besides it being my passion and I shouldn't go for Forex trading? So I'm going to do a very honest review in terms of why I chose affiliate marketing as my vehicle. I'm going to try and explain, first of all, I'm going to explain the difference between Forex trading and then offline business. And I'm going to tell you, like, Forex trading is this huge piece of cake and everyone wants to make money from it, and how other people are actually making money from the Forex trading market, so that you understand that you have the options and things like that. So let us look in the lecture. Like I said, I'm going to do a bit of a lecture. Okay, I'm going to do a bit of a lecture. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to open up my green board, and I'm going to take my magic pen. I really love this pen because it allows me to draw on the screen. So let me see if I can actually pick up the paint that I want right there. So I've actually picked up the paint. I'm really going to be honest with you. Everything that I'm going to be sharing here is just my personal opinion and my personal experience. Really, I would love to hear your thoughts as well. So what we're going to do here is that we're going to draw a line. Let's actually draw a line. Once we draw a line, we're going to look at the business that this person is doing, and some of the points that you may want to look at. Number one, we're looking at the Forex. Okay, I'm going to type this and say FX, and then I'm going to say spices. Okay, that's what's happening to my pen. Okay. I'm going to say spices. So one thing that you need to understand is that these two business models are two different business models that you need to understand. The way they work, the way they operate, and things like that. So number one, the fact that you have to look at Forex trading. Number one, you have to look at what I call this one R. Okay, I call this one R, and I would say R as well. I don't know what's happening with my pen, but this is R and R. Okay, let's just put the word R as the risk. Okay, the amount of risk that you have in forex trading is high compared to the amount of risk that you have with this business model of spices. And when you're doing forex trading, your risk is high and your reward is also high. And if you're doing the business for spices, it simply means that you have to use a lot of energy in terms of going to see your clients, going to visit your clients, to see them, to make sales and follow up on credits and things like that. When it comes to forex trading, you have to sit on a computer. Okay, I'll just say sit there. You have to sit on a computer to start doing your business. Okay, now looking at the scalable way. Okay, when it comes to forex trading, it's not really a business that is scalable. Okay, it's not a business that is scalable as compared to this one. This business model of selling spices is a scalable business. Let me explain what I mean by is a scalable business. If you're doing forex trading and you're making $100 a week, okay, if you're doing forex trading, you cannot say my target is to make $100 a week, or you cannot say that last week I've made $100, then this week I should work very hard and make $200. Okay, that's not it with forex trading. Okay, so when it comes to scaling up your income and things like that with forex trading, you cannot do that, because everything that happens depends on the market. Okay, but when it comes to selling spices, here's a good thing. When it comes to selling spices, if you go into one location, or if you go into one area, into one industrial area, and you sell your spices to every kitchen that is in that area, it simply means that you can decide to scale your business to say, if I need to make more money selling spices, then I have to visit 10 more businesses, I have to visit 10 more industrial areas. And when you do that, you can be able to say, I'm gonna be able to scale my income that I'm actually making from selling spices. So these are some of the reasons that I can actually give you, and let me give you one other reason that you need to understand in terms of trading as well as an offline business. So this goes to if you have any offline business that you have, or any kind of business that you are doing offline which is not online. So let me just rub my chalk right there so that you get to understand what I need to talk about. Okay, so there is a concept called automation. Which I'm going to explain here. Okay, if you are any of my students, you're going to understand exactly what I mean by automation, because most of my students have gone through these lessons in depth in terms of automation. So again, we are looking at the business of spices, and I'll just say S there. Let me just put a proper S, and then let me just put F there. That is forex trading. Now, when we look at automation, we are saying, how can we make the business work for us without us being there? So when you look at forex trading, you have to be on the charts. You cannot really automate some of your processes. You have to be on the charts. You need to look at the candlesticks. You need to look at the support and resistance. You need to see if your money is in profit and things like that. When it comes to this business of spices, what you can then do to grow the business, for it to work on your behalf without you being there, it simply means that you can actually say, I'm going to find 5 to 10 people who can be distributing these spices on my behalf. I can look for 10 centers or 10 kitchens that I can leave my spices, and say, if I'm selling my spices for $1, I can give the commission of 20% to the kitchen owner who is helping me distribute my spices. So it simply means that you've actually duplicated yourself, or you've actually automated some of your business models. Now, we are looking at just someone who is just doing forex trading as their business model. Someone who is just doing like sitting on the computer and placing trades on their behalf. Now, when you need to automate the forex trading aspect, it simply means that you have to hire robots, or probably you have to hire experts to do that for you. But again, these are some of the examples that I can actually give in terms of how this person is having a challenge when they try and do forex trading, and when they do their offline business of selling spices, they are motivated, because you can make informed decisions that, okay, today I've sold 20 packets. Tomorrow I need to make sure that I sell 50 packets. But when it comes to Forex trading, you cannot make those decisions. That's why it's an emotional business at the end of the day, because sometimes you may not spend your day very well because you've actually lost some money in the market, and you cannot make a decision to say, hey, I want to make more profit. So now let us look at the question that this person also asked, and not choose your business, your vehicle as Forex trading. Why did you go for affiliate marketing? So what I'm going to explain here is just my personal experience and my personal preferences. Forex trading is a very good business model. I know a lot of people who are doing Forex trading and who are making money from Forex trading, and so it's just something that I'm just going to explain in this video so that you understand. So some of my students that I coach, that I do coaching, they understand this model very, very, very well. And now there is what I call passive income. Okay, I'm just gonna say P there. Okay, I'm just gonna say P there. Okay, why is my pen not right? I'm just gonna say P, and then I'm gonna say active. Okay, I'm gonna say A, passive and active. Now these are the two types of income that one can earn on the internet. Okay, so when you have passive income, we are saying that you create systems that will work on your behalf even when you are not working. And then active income is a way of doing work and getting paid, doing work and getting paid, doing work and getting paid. Now, if you look at the affiliate marketing model, if done well, it can give you a very good passive income. You do the work once, and then the money will continue to come even while you're asleep. I'll give you a very good example. Okay, let's say you are selling. Okay, let me give you a good example. I'm an affiliate marketer for Deriv, for the Deriv platform. I do send people there as an affiliate. When they trade, I do get commissions. Now, I want you to think about this. When I refer one person to Deriv, they trade. Okay, when they trade, I get paid some money. Okay, without me placing any trades. Okay, so if I refer, let's say, I think I've referred over 500 people to use the Deriv platform so that they can actually trade. There. Now, I want you to think about this. As long as these people are depositing into Deriv and placing trades, I do get paid because I've introduced them to Deriv, and this is what I understand better. Now, looking at how I want to make money, I would rather have a small portion from different people coming my way than risking my money than risking 100% of my money into a business model. So that's what I can actually say when it comes to passive income and active income. Now, when it comes to Forex trading, you may be participating in this type of income whereby you have an active income. I want to ask you a question. If you stop trading today and you don't place trades and things like that, will the money continue to come in? Definitely not, because it's an active way of making money. Now, moving forward, I want to explain something how this concept works, this concept called Forex trading, in a way that most people really do understand. Now, Forex trading, let us look at Forex trading as this huge piece of cake. This huge piece of cake is called Forex trading. Now, how do we want to make money from this huge piece of cake? From this huge cake, and each one of us must take a piece of the cake. Okay, so here's a very good example. We are saying that there is a piece of cake which is like that, okay, and then there's a piece of cake, a slice that you should get for yourself, and then there's a slice that someone should get for themselves, and there's a slice that someone should get from themselves. Okay, and there's so many slices on the cake. Now, I want you to think of your idea, like what they told you about how much money is moved in the Forex market every single day, and where is that money going. Now, this is when you start to think as a business. This is when you start to think as a business owner. Okay, this is when you start to think as a business owner. Like I said, my students understand this concept very, very, very well, I tell you. Now, if you look at the Forex market, there are people who are making money because they are an online broker. They're an online Forex broker. Okay, they've decided to go into the Forex market industry, but as an online Forex broker. Someone also has decided to go into the Forex marketing industry as an affiliate marketer. Let me just put here, as an affiliate marketer like me. Someone is also decided to go into the market as a trader. Let me just put a T there. As a trader. And it's your choice. It's how people want to make money out of this whole thing that is called Forex market. Someone also decided to go into the Forex marketing and offer what I call signals. Okay, let me just put an S. Oh, what's happening with my pen? Okay. Okay, I'm trying to learn to use this pen. Forgive me. But anyway, someone is offering signals in the Forex marketing. Someone has actually written a book in the Forex marketing. Someone is actually using robots to trade Forex. Someone is creating the robots to trade on their behalf. So what are all these people do? Remember the very good example that I gave you, that these people, they've automated the processes of expanding their Forex activities and make sure that they make money out of it. Now think about it. If you're going to work towards creating an online Forex broker, and your online Forex broker is going to be established in Zimbabwe, is going to be established in South Africa, is going to be established in another country, is going to be established in another country, and you make money from those different countries, okay? Let's say you become an affiliate marketer, okay? And you introduce people who wants to trade, and then when they trade, you start making some profits. Let's say you write a book about Forex trading. It simply means you're making money from this huge market called Forex trading, but you've just used a different channel of making the money, which is what most people should think along those lines in terms of profiting from this industry. So in my case, I do understand affiliate marketing, and I picked Forex trading as the product, as the vehicle that I need to push and make sure that I make money as the affiliate marketer from this huge piece of cake. And get me right, so like I said, I'm not saying that Forex trading is a bad idea to make money online, but at the end of the day, it's one of the business models that carries a high risk, and at the same time it brings very good returns if done properly. I know quite a lot of people who are doing well, who are earning a living from Forex trading full-time actually. So I hope I have actually answered your question and other people's questions, that when people are looking at these business models, they are always looking at the money, like a lot of testimonies of people that are making money out of it. And if someone is doing Forex trading, then they are automatically making money. There are also losses from Forex trading. And for me personally, I prefer creating business systems, a business model that works for me when I'm asleep. When I just wake up in the morning, I prefer to see money in my bank account without me doing any sort of work. But again, creating a business like that takes time. You may work very hard without getting paid. Even years, you can actually work years without getting paid. So for me, I've been able to create a kind of income like that, and I've been able to create a kind of income like that and more incomes like that. And right now I'm also working on adding more types of passive income models. So yeah, I've explained quite a lot of things. If you want to learn about these things in depth, where I guide you step by step, please check out our website, which is called Internet Pro Club, where I educate and coach people about things to do with making money online. And with that being said, thanks for watching this video, and I look forward to seeing you in some of my videos. And please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment if you have any questions, and I'll be more than happy to assist you. And bye for now.